Coronavirus disease 2019, which is also known as COVID-19, can make anyone sick, but its symptoms and their severity varies a lot. Some people get no symptoms at all, while others can become very sick. In this video, we shall see what type of people are at greater risk of getting serious symptoms. But before we proceed ahead, friends, please subscribe to our channel and share and like all our videos. Risk of developing serious COVID-19 symptoms may be higher in people who are older and also higher in people of any age who have other serious health issues such as lung or heart conditions. Moreover, people who have several of these other health problems are at even greater risk of developing serious COVID-19 symptoms. We shall discuss some of these medical conditions which increase the risk of more severe COVID-19 disease or its outcomes. Risk of developing dangerous COVID-19 symptoms increases with age. Those over the age of 85 years are at the highest risk. The risk increases with each decade of the age, especially for those over age of 60 years. Many types of heart diseases can make a person more susceptible to get severe COVID-19 symptoms. These include conditions such as heart failure, congenital heart disease, coronary artery disease, cardiomyopathy, and possibly high blood pressure, which is also known as hypertension. You can watch our other video on how to cure hypertension using just simple hand yoga poses. I will provide the link in the description of this video. Chronic lung diseases can make one more susceptible to more severe COVID-19. These diseases may include moderate to severe asthma, chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, which is also called as COPD, interstitial lung disease, lung cancer, cystic fibrosis, and pulmonary fibrosis, and pulmonary hypertension. Moreover, smoking or vaping harm the lungs and inhibit the immune system, which in turn increases the risk of serious complications due to COVID-19. Suffering from either type 1 or type 2 diabetes can make one more likely to get severe illness from COVID-19. Also, having a higher blood mass index in overweight, obese, or severely obese categories increases the risk of serious COVID-19 symptoms. You may watch our other video on how to cure diabetes using simple hand yoga poses. I am giving the link in the description of this video. Having hemoglobin blood disorders such as sickle cell anemia or thalassemia can make one more prone to getting severe COVID-19 symptoms. In sickle cell anemia, red blood cells become hard, sticky, and shaped like the letter C. These deformed red blood cells die early. Therefore, oxygen cannot be transported around the body in a proper manner. In thalassemia, the body does not produce enough hemoglobin, which affects the oxygen carrying capacity of the red blood cells. Both sickle cell anemia and thalassemia are genetic disorders. Many conditions and treatments can weaken one's immune system, including organ transplants, cancer treatments, bone marrow transplant, HIV/AIDS, and prolonged use of corticosteroids or other immune weakening medicines. Having chronic kidney disease of any stage or having chronic liver diseases such as alcohol-related liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease, cirrhosis, scarring of liver can make one more likely to get severely ill from COVID-19. In general, Down syndrome patients are more likely to develop lung infections. Therefore, they are more vulnerable to severe COVID-19 impact. Cancer can make one more vulnerable to get severely ill from COVID-19. Treatments of several types of cancer may weaken one's immune system. Based on the current available studies, a history of cancer may increase one's risk. Also, neurological conditions such as dementia can make one more vulnerable to get severely ill from COVID-19. Substance use disorder such as alcohol, opioid or cocaine use disorder can make one more prone to get severely ill from COVID-19 disease. Stroke or cerebrovascular disease, which affect blood flow to the brain, can make one more vulnerable to severe illness from COVID-19. Signs of a stroke are given on the screen.